Hey guys, welcome back. Congratulations on finishing the section. What we're going to do is we're just going to cover really quickly all the things that we looked into for this section. So the first one was importing images. Now we looked at three ways. The first way was simply to use the Excel preset function. So you just go insert and insert, no, not clip art, insert picture. Okay, and then you look for the picture. So that's one way. The other way is to actually open it using Microsoft Paint, like I have right here, right? And then copying by selecting the entire image and then pasting into Excel. That's the second method. Now the third method is using the print screen function, which it takes a snapshot of your screen, then you can copy it into Excel, trim off the edges, and you're good to go. So that's the first topic we covered. The next topic was controlling the image. Things like moving it around, cropping it, trimming off the edges, resizing and rotating, those kinds of things. Now, that's really important to get a handle on because it's those fundamentals that'll make your life so much easier and you won't get as frustrated as a lot of other people who simply can't even resize an image, right? Okay, so that's the second topic. And the next topic we covered was things that were a bit more artistic. Things like correcting the image, color variations, artistic effects. Now, what we were able to do, if I can get my drawing tool, was to go from this boring gray image to this kind of really trippy, really, colorful image that we've been able to create. And I mean, I'm not an artist, but that looks a whole lot better than the one we have here. Okay? Now, the next thing we covered was ovals. Now, on top of ovals, we learned some shortcuts about copying shapes, rotating images, and we used that to work on our little panda bear down here. We use it to find the differences and to modify those images. Now, on top of that, we also learned how to group images. Now, this is a great tool to make your life easier. When you're dealing with a lot of images and a lot of intricate and small shapes in between, it's really annoying when you move the background by accident and everything falls apart. Grouping prevents that from happening, right? By connecting all your images into one shape, into one image, also known as a group. Okay, now the last topic we covered was squares and text boxes, as you can see from Mr. Bean up here. If I can get my drawing tool. Okay, and what we were able to do was create shapes, format multiple shapes at once, right? On top of that, we created text boxes and connected those text boxes to the squares. Now this is great when you have an image that has to speak to other elements on the screen. In our case, squares and text boxes. We finished it off by introducing a frame for Mr. Bean, the original, down here, a square. But now we've given him a lovely frame by a few clicks of the mouse. Okay? So pretty cool. We covered a lot of things. I hope you enjoyed it. And now I hope you guys are ready for the quiz. So hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.